Are you experiencing pain points such as pinch points, cut points, crush points, shear points, or entanglement? Introducing PowerSafe Automation. Get never-ending relief with active ingredients such as machine guarding with safety switches, presence sensing devices including light curtains, laser scanners, and safety radars, machine tool and power transmission guards, fluid power and electrical energy control, intrinsic safety systems, press safety, emergency stop systems, and more with nationwide installation services. If used regularly, PowerSafe Automation improves limb safety, hazard migration, workplace confidence, compliance satisfaction, cultured attitudes, and workers' compensation rates. Don't live with the pain points. Act today by calling 844-520-SAFE or visit our website at powersafeautomation.com. PowerSafe Automation, a pain point solution provider. Not an actual pill, but can actually help with your workplace safety and pain points.